Hey everyone, welcome to Movies Cap channel, and today I am going to explain the 2006 released comedy fantasy movie Click. If you like, please hit the subscribe button and watch till the end. So let's begin. Michael Newman is an architect who is consistently bullied by his overbearing boss, John Mayer, and often chooses work over his wife Donna and his two children, Ben and Samantha. One day, Michael visits the retail store Bed Bath & Beyond to buy a universal remote control. He stumbles around the various departments before falling asleep. Upon waking, he accepts a free remote control from a man named Morty, who warns him that it can never be returned. While using the remote, Michael learns that it can be used to control reality much like a television. He uses it to his advantage at work, to cause light-hearted mischief, and to fast forward past illnesses. Morty tells Michael that during these times, his body is on autopilot, going through his motions of everyday life while his mind skips ahead. After successfully completing a group project with the help of remote, Michael thinks that Mayer has promoted him to a partnership. Michael buys bicycles for his children and a purse for Donna. However, the very next day Mayer tells him that he has not yet been promoted and thus cannot afford the gifts and has to return them. Angry that he upset his family, Michael asks Morty if he can skip time directly to his promotion using the remote. Morty warns him about the consequences and not to skip. Despite the warnings, Michael uses the remote to skip ahead to his promotion, thus missing a year of his life. During this time, he and Donna have entered marriage counseling, his children have matured, and the family dog has died. The remote, having learned his preferences, starts time skipping automatically. Each time Michael attempts to discard or destroy the remote, it reappears, and Morty refuses to take it back as the deal was made initially not to return it. At work, Mayer tells Michael he plans on retiring, which would make Michael the new head of the international division and that in time, Michael could be promoted to CEO. This causes the remote to instantly fast forward 10 years into the future, where Michael is extremely wealthy, but morbidly obese and lives alone in a luxury apartment. He returns home to discover that Ben, now overweight like himself, and Samantha have both become moody teenagers. And that Donna has divorced him and remarried to Bill, who was Ben's former childhood swim coach. When he argues with them, the new family dog jumps on Michael and knocks him into a coma. The remote time skips 6 years to when Michael wakes, no longer obese as a result of having undergone liposuction to save his life as a part of his cancer treatment and subsequent heart attack. A full-grown Ben is now a partner at the firm. Michael learns that his father, Ted, has died of old age. Morty reappears as Michael mourns him. Michael uses the remote to see when he last saw his father, when Michael rebuffed his father's offer to take him and Ben out to dinner. At Ted's grave, Morty appears and reveals to Michael that he is the angel of death. Overcome with guilt and shame, Michael asks to go to a good place, whereupon the remote fast forwards him several more years in the future to Ben's wedding. He overhears Samantha refer to Bill as dad, triggering a second heart attack. He wakes in the hospital that night to find his family there, including Ben, who reveals he skipped his honeymoon to help fix issues with the firm, before a nurse makes Ben and Samantha leave. Fearing Ben will make the same mistakes he did, Michael gathers the last of his strength to follow them out of the hospital but collapses and subsequently dies. But not before telling Ben to put his wife before work, and assures his family that he still loves them. Michael reawakens in Bed Bath & Beyond store and assumes that he was dreaming. He embraces his family and promises to spend more time with them. He finds the remote on the counter along with a note from Morty, who reveals he has given him a second chance because good guys need a break. Michael throws the remote in the trash and, much to his delight, it does not reappear. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Until see you in the next one, peace.